She just gets so, like, gunky when I use it. Gets, like, in her little cracks.
I'm videoing.
Videoing the hiccups.
Hiccup.
Okay, let's
You ready, Bob?
see.
Now for the camera.
She's just kicking away. Yeah, you're a kicking wonder, baby. Okay.
There's the piggy. There's the piggy. There's the piggy. Little baby. Little feet.
Fat thighs.
He's gotten bigger just from the shower.
Yeah, he really.
Yeah.
Well, the shower was still breastfeeding him. As soon as we put him on formula, he fattened up like within days, I think. That's me, piggy.
I love my toys.
Oh, I probably should have cleaned your little umbilical cord. I'm not going to put socks on her because she'll just take them off. Maybe I should put a bib on you from now on.